This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. Infinox positions itself as a flexible, execution-focused broker, designed to serve both retail and more experienced traders who want choice without unnecessary friction. The platform supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, giving traders access to forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies through a familiar trading environment. Execution is built around ECN and STP models, allowing traders to choose between tighter spreads with commissions or commission-free pricing with slightly wider spreads. Liquidity depth is a strong point here, with fast order execution and minimal requotes during normal market conditions, which appeals to scalpers and intraday traders. Infinox also supports advanced tools like copy trading, VPS hosting, and automated strategies, making it suitable for traders who want to scale beyond manual execution or run multiple systems simultaneously with consistent performance. The advantages of Infinox include platform reliability, competitive spreads on ECN accounts, flexible leverage options, and a wide selection of instruments across major and alternative markets. Multiple account configurations allow traders to adapt the setup to their strategy rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all structure. Customer support is frequently mentioned as responsive and helpful, particularly during onboarding, verification, and initial funding stages, which reduces friction for new users. On the downside, higher leverage may not be suitable for inexperienced traders, and some users report that advanced tools and integrations require time to configure properly. While the platform is well-rounded from an execution standpoint, it does not heavily differentiate itself with proprietary analytics, built-in portfolio intelligence, or deep institutional research layers. Infinox was founded in 2009 and has steadily built its reputation as a global broker focused on execution quality and account flexibility rather than aggressive marketing or promotional gimmicks. Over time, it expanded its regulatory footprint and product range, positioning itself as a mid-tier broker that balances accessibility with professional trading features. Its growth has been gradual and consistent, appealing primarily to traders who value platform stability, transparent trade execution, and predictable trading conditions rather than social trading hype or short-term bonuses. Pricing reflects that flexibility. Traders can choose between STP accounts with no commissions and ECN accounts where spreads are tighter and commissions apply per lot. Minimum trade sizes start from micro lot levels, making it accessible for smaller accounts, while leverage options vary depending on jurisdiction and regulatory restrictions. Account types include individual accounts, joint accounts, and corporate accounts, allowing both retail traders and business entities to participate. There are no hidden platform fees for standard trading activity, but optional services such as VPS hosting, premium add-ons, or enhanced execution tools may carry additional costs depending on usage. Overall, Infinox pricing structure prioritizes transparency and choice, allowing traders to pay for execution quality rather than bundled extras they may not need. ZuluTrade operates with a very different philosophy, centering its entire ecosystem around social and copy trading rather than direct manual execution. Instead of positioning itself as a traditional broker, ZuluTrade functions as a strategy-sharing network that connects traders, known as signal providers, with investors who choose to automatically follow their trades. The platform integrates with supported brokers and allows users to mirror strategies across forex, indices, commodities, and CFDs without manually placing trades. This hands-off approach is the core appeal, especially for users who want market exposure without actively managing charts or execution. However, the weaknesses of ZuluTrade are just as prominent. Execution quality is heavily dependent on the connected broker, meaning slippage, latency, and spread differences can materially impact real results versus advertised performance. Many users report that top-ranked strategies often degrade over time, with strong historical results failing to repeat in live conditions. Strategy churn, over-optimization, and sudden drawdowns are recurring concerns, especially for less experienced users who rely too heavily on rankings without understanding underlying risk. From a usability perspective, the platform is functional but dated compared to modern trading apps. While dashboards provide performance metrics, the experience can feel fragmented due to broker integration requirements and frequent reconnections. Advanced users may also find limited transparency into how providers adapt strategies during changing market conditions. This is not a platform for traders who want execution control, order routing, or strategy customization. It is fundamentally designed for copying, not trading. ZuluTrade was founded in 2007 and became one of the earliest major players in the social trading space. Its early success helped popularize copy trading globally, but over time the market has become far more competitive, with newer platforms offering tighter integration, clearer risk controls, and more modern interfaces. ZuluTrade's longevity is notable, but its evolution has been slower compared to newer, social-first ecosystems. Only after understanding the feature set does pricing come into focus. ZuluTrade does not charge traditional spreads or commissions directly. Instead, costs are embedded through performance-based fees, subscription fees depending on the broker connection, and profit-sharing arrangements with signal providers. Account structures typically include classic accounts and profit-sharing accounts, with fees varying by provider and broker. Users must also factor in standard trading costs charged by the connected broker, including spreads, swaps, and execution fees, which can significantly impact net results over time. Looking at independent sentiment, Infinox holds an exact Trustpilot rating of 4.6. Reviews frequently praise execution stability, ECN performance, fair pricing, and smooth withdrawals, with occasional comments pointing to minor platform limitations rather than trust concerns. ZuluTrade holds a Trustpilot rating of 1.5, with customer feedback often citing missed trades, account disconnections, poor performance compared to advertised results, and frustration with risk management tools not preventing losses. While a small number of users acknowledge the concept and historical importance of the platform, the dominant sentiment is cautionary. Final takeaway: if you want direct control, reliable execution, and the ability to grow from manual trading into automation using familiar platforms, Infinox offers a balanced and scalable environment. If you are specifically seeking copy trading and are comfortable accepting performance variability, broker-dependent execution, and higher risk from strategy decay, ZuluTrade delivers exposure, but demands close oversight. If this breakdown helped you cut through the marketing and understand what actually fits your trading style, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that matches how you trade, not just how it's promoted.